Hi, KB friends. So today we're going to do something new, and what we're going to do is called equivalent equations. Do you think you guys can say that? Equivalent equations. See if you can say that. Great job. So what does equivalent equations mean? It means that whatever is on the left has to equal the same that is on the right. Okay, and we know what an equation is. An equation is an addition problem. Okay, so if you take a minute, I want you to look at this symbol in the middle. We've talked about this before. So this is our symbol that means equal. So whatever is over here has to equal whatever is over here. So let me give you an example about what I mean. If I have an equation that says 2 plus 2. Okay, so we know that 2 plus 2 equals what? 4, okay? 2 plus 2 more is 4. Well, on this side, whatever my equation is, whatever my addition sentence is, it's going to also have to equal 4. So let's think about that for a minute. What are some other ways besides 2 plus 2 that we can make 4? Very good. 3 plus 1 would be one way. So this would be an equivalent equation. That means they're equal on both sides. This equation is the same as this equation because 2 plus 2 equals 4 and 3 plus 1 equals 4. So 4 is going to be equal to 4. These are both going to be the same. The answers are the same, so they are equivalent equations. So let's go back to that 2 plus 2 again. Is there a different way that we could make that an equivalent equation? You're right. We could also put 0 plus 4. Because we know that 0 plus 4 more is still going to equal 4, and we know that 2 plus 2 is going to equal 4. So there's going to be all kinds of different answers for you, but your first step, you're going to have to figure out what the answer is of the given equation. So they're always going to give you one equation. You got to think about it. What's your answer? You're going to have to figure out what the answer is, and then once you know what the answer is over here, you have to find another addition sentence or equation that's going to equal the same. Okay, so let me go ahead and let me share the screen and let me show you what you're going to be looking at on Seesaw for equivalent equations. I think this will be really good for you guys and it'll be a good challenge for you. Let's see. Hold on one second, guys. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so now that I found it, if we share the screen, why is it not coming up? Let's try one more time. Okay. For some reason, it's not coming up. All right, guys, here we go. Figured it out. Okay. So what you're going to see, you are going to actually see a screen that looks like this on Seesaw, and you're going to see all of these math problems, right? 2 plus 2, 1 plus 5, 7 plus 0, 5 plus 5, and so on. So all of these different equations, you are going to have to find another equation that equals the same thing that you can put on the opposite side. And then they're going to have to equal the same. So we kind of actually did this one, but so 2 plus 2 is going to equal, well, I'm going to actually go to the bottom of the screen and I'm going to click that little finger right there, the hand, the pointer. I'm going to click that, and once I click that, I know that I can go ahead and click this first little screen because I already found it. We actually already did this one, but 2 plus 2 is going to be equivalent or be the same as 3 plus 1. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move that over there. And then you're going to actually go to the next one. 1 plus 5 is going to equal what? Right. So 1 more than 5 is going to equal 6. So one of these equations down here is going to equal 6. Well, does 3 plus 1 equal 6? Or does 3 plus 7 equal 6? Well, let's think about that. We take the bigger number, 7, and we count on by 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, does 10 equal 6? No. So we know that we can't use that one, so we're going to kind of slide that out of the way. So let's try this one right here, 4 plus 2. So 1 plus 5 equals 6. Let's see, 4 plus 2 more, 4, 5, 6. Aha. So 1 plus 5 is equal to 4 plus 2 because they both equal 6. So let me go ahead and click on that and slide that over there, and that is going to be correct. So you're going to continue on. You're looking for the same equivalent equations on the left and the right, okay? So whatever is on the left, you have to find a matching equation or a matching addition sentence to match the answer, okay? So hopefully you guys are going to understand that. And then let me just show you really quick. You're going to actually be doing the same thing on the other side. The only difference is you are going to write the equation or you are going to type it. So you can do either one. You can actually type it, or you can go ahead and you can click one of the pencils and you can go ahead and write that in. And you know, one of the easy ways that you can do an equivalent, if I keep saying equivalent fractions, I'm in like 5th grade. Equivalent equations, we've actually done a lot of this before. How have we done it? When we do the switcheroo. An equivalent equation can also be the switcheroo because we know, kindergarten, right, that 2 plus 3 is going to equal the same as 3 plus 2. So that is also, that's actually an easy way. You can always do the switcheroo. Hopefully you guys will think a little bit more and come up with some different ones, but that is definitely an easy way to do equivalent equations. You can always do the switcheroo, okay? All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and erase that for you. And you guys are gonna be on your own, okay? So super proud of you guys. Keep up the good work. If you need any help, let me know. Make sure mom and dad emails me and I will help you out, okay? And we're gonna try and review this. Well, hopefully you guys will have seen this in the morning at morning meetings before you do this activity. And if not, that's okay. You'll get another review, okay? Awesome job. Looking good. See you guys tomorrow.